When it comes to protecting your home, you can never be too careful, since you can never be sure that no one will break into your house. It's important to have a good security system that includes both obvious obstacles like locks and alarms and less obvious ones like hidden cameras that record any suspicious activity that might happen. Everyone who owns a home should buy at least one of these 12 security tools. Let's take a look at the Barracuda Intruder Defense System, which is one of the best ways to keep people from entering your home through an inward swinging door that you don't want them to. The DSI type is used to quickly lock doors that swing inward. Putting the device on the floor and sliding the metal plates under the door is all it takes. When the handle is pulled out and the device is pushed into the outer door jamb, the plates are firmly locked in place. The thing is also not attached to a door and easy to move. Changing to a new door is easy whenever you want to. Your house is now completely safe, so you can go anywhere you want without worrying about strangers getting in. Intruders and active shooters are much more dangerous than the occasional thief or burglar. You need something to block the door temporarily. It's a low-cost, life-saving alternative called Barricade Box that can be used in any safe place, from a classroom to a church vault to a home safe room. The device is easy to set up, so it can be ready to go in just a few minutes. Also, the Barricade Box has a tensile strength of more than 2,000 pounds, which gives everyone the highest level of safety. It has a laser cut steel base and 4.5 feet of protection from a special Kevlar cable that can't be cut or burned. It works on doorknobs, door levers, and even door closers. The adaptable design of this foldable door lock from Adalock makes it one of the better choices. Adalock will work if your door swings in and has a hinge on the edge. It's quick and easy to put on, just slide it onto the striking plate and close the door. If you're worried that it won't work out, you can try it out before deciding to use it. The original Adalock first foldable lock, it has a metal body with the Adalock logo and a red pouch to carry it in. The stroller is small and light, so putting one in your suitcase will give you peace of mind, whether you're staying in a hotel, an Airbnb, or any other short-term rental. Technology is changing the way we live. Traditional tools aren't enough. That's why we need robots. Give Riley a place in your home. It's a high-tech security bot for your house that can do amazing things and will always keep your house safe. Riley is a robot that lets you control how the camera moves in real time. You can see what Riley is seeing through his camera. You can use the app anywhere. It also has infrared night vision, which means you can use it even when the lights are off in your house. Riley has a charging dock that can be turned in any direction, and a motion detector, a facial recognition, a camera, and a recorder. It's the perfect security gadgets for your home. Imagine that you can keep an eye on your home without ever bringing the subject of cameras. That's a pretty cool idea. This is done in the most incredible way by Xandom Home, a system that tracks where people are, can help with security, automation, and taking care of the elderly. Among the other things, it's like the Harry Potter's Magical Marauders map, which showed where lost students at Hogwarts were hiding. Except this one is real and you can use it. With the information that Xandom Homes gives you about when and where people move across full floor plans, you can monitor and automate your home in ways that you could never done with cameras or traditional motion detectors. The new motion detection technology that can see everything is a game changer that could change the entire security industry. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the newest and most interesting content as soon as it comes out. The field of view of most cameras is small, which is a big problem. Because of this, you might end up missing some important parts. This is a great way to solve your problem. Orbi is a home security robot that looks like a lot of fun. It records high-definition video and does its job well when it needs to. It can do a lot of things, like check on the security of your home and connect to smart devices. With the Orbi app, you can scare away intruders with a variety of alarm sounds and warning, or you can talk to your pets and loved ones in real time. The sophisticated stabilizer bar has a gyroscope, accelerometer, and a magnetometer all built into it, so Orbi can keep track of where the camera is pointing, letting the video play back smoothly and without any interruptions. Never before has it been so easy to keep track of every room in your house. You might not be able to watch videos when the power goes out or the internet goes down, but that doesn't mean you have to put yourself at risk. If the power goes out, the Oma Butterfly camera is a great way to keep your home safe. This thing will never leave you because it has its own power source and memory. Wi-Fi security cameras have some good points, but they also have some bad points. If they lose air conditioning, electricity, or access to the internet, they are much less useful. The Oma Butterfly gets rid of these risks, but it still has a 120-degree field of view, a maximum resolution of 1080p, motion and sound detection, and two-way audio for up to 4 weeks of normal use. Everything a person could ever want in the Oma Butterfly. This is for all the pet owners who have been told that having animals means they have to make their homes less safe. By the way, you don't have to leave the door open or window so they can come back. The flap microchip pet door is a good choice if your pet likes to go for walks and come back whenever it wants. This thing will let you know when your pet comes inside. You can see where your pets are and what they're doing, even when you're not there. The pet door can also be locked or unlocked from a distance, giving you a bulletproof way to keep animals from coming into your property that you don't want them to. Are you tired of always having to watch your things when you leave the house? The FlexiSafe from AquaVault is a very useful way to solve this problem. The device is easy to use, lightweight and durable, can do a lot of cool things. It works a lot like a small portable safe, and you can take it with you whenever you go. To keep your things safe inside, use the zippered pocket. You can lock it to a bar or something else that won't move. If you travel a lot, FlexiSafe is a great way to stop stealing, keep your things safe. When we talk about security threats, we don't just have to worry about thieves and intruders, because the internet is easy to get to. Another layer of protection for your children is being taken away. Vimana is a tool for parents that is meant to protect their kids. You can now limit how much time your child spends in front of a screen to protect their health and well-being. Kids in the 21st century are more likely to get hurt because of the digital technologies like phones, tablets, computers, and the internet are so common. Parents worry that too much monitoring will make their kids feel safe, feel uncomfortable, and make them feel like they don't belong. Vimana is the answer because it lets you customize and control your child's digital experience without being pushy or controlling. This is the kind of tool you will be glad you have for a long time. At the first glance, do-it-yourself home security systems may seem like a good idea, but in reality, more than half of these systems don't work as well as they say they will. Hex Home stands out from other gadgets. Because of this, users can now rest easy knowing they won't have to deal with annoying false alarms or hard to understand setup steps. Hex is powered by ambient sensing, which is an AI technology that is better in almost every way than traditional security system. There won't be any more false alarms because the sensitivity setting can be changed to tell the difference between a pet, a robot vacuum, and even a fan blowing on a curtain. The app on your phone makes it easy to control the whole system. Angie is a security system that works on its own. Here's what the first home security system that does everything by itself looks like. Angie is a high-tech security and communication system that changes not only how you protect your home but also how you talk to it. It gives you a full 360 degrees view of your house and has a lot of great additions like voice recognition, the front door, face recognition, identification, motion detection rotation, advanced learning cordless mobility, and more. Also, there is no fee to sign up. Angie is a great friend no matter where you are. So, tell us what you think in the comments. What smart home device do you want to buy and put in your house?